Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain how you can request your Versicherungsverlauf, which is your pension insurance history statement, online from the German pension insurance, the Deutsche Rentenversicherung, and why it is important. So, your insurance history lists all the periods in which you paid contributions in Germany, for example, employment periods, vocational training, times of unemployment, and it's also required when you apply for the Niederlassungserlaubnis, which is your permanent residence permit or a German passport. And the best part is that it's completely free of charge. So, what you should know, if you request it in the middle of the year, the statement will only include data up to the end of the previous year. This means, for example, if you apply in September 2025, you will only receive details until December 2024. The records are always updated yearly, so keep this point in mind. How to request it online? Go to the official website of the Deutsche Rentenversicherung. Link is in the description below. Select Versicherungsverlauf anfordern here and then fill out the form with your detail, your pension insurance number, which is your Deutsche Versicherungsnummer found on your social security document, your Vorname, first name, Familienname, and Geburtsname. Geburtsname only when your birth name was different, then otherwise it's not important. And then click submit. Absent, you don't need an account to log in for this process. So the important thing, when you will receive it, normally you'll get your statement by post within 1 to 2 weeks. Once it arrives, check carefully that all periods are correctly listed. If anything is missing, contact the pension office and provide proof such as contract or certificate. Requesting your insurance history early is smart. It keeps your record clean and avoid problems later when you apply for your pension, permanent residence, or citizenship. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips about life in Germany. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.